Hi guys! Welcome back to Mona's Kitchen. Today, we will make red velvet cupcakes. Perfect for the coming Valentine's Day. Are you ready? Let's get baking! We will need 2 cups of cake flour, 1/1/3 cup of white sugar, half cup of melted unsalted butter, half cup of vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon of vinegar, 1 tablespoon of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, half teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, red gel food coloring, 1 cup of buttermilk, or you can use 1 cup of fresh milk added with 1 tablespoon of vinegar, and 2 large eggs at room temperature. For the cream cheese frosting, we will need 225 grams of cream cheese, 2 cups of powdered sugar plus more if needed, and 1/4 cup of unsalted butter. In a bowl, add the white sugar, melted butter, vegetable oil, and mix them together. Add the eggs, continue mixing. Add in the vanilla extract, buttermilk, and vinegar. And continue mixing until well combined. Then, add in the red gel food coloring. I added half teaspoon of the red gel food coloring. But you may need more. It depends on the red gel food coloring that you're using. In another bowl, sift together the flour, cocoa powder, salt, baking soda, and mix them together. Now, add the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients. Mix them together until well incorporated. Now, fill each cupcake liner with half cup of the mixture. Then, bake this in a preheated oven of 150 degrees Celsius for about 15 to 20 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. After baking, transfer it into a wire rack to completely cool. While waiting to completely cool, prepare the cream cheese frosting. In another bowl, Add the cream cheese. And the butter. And using a hand mixer, cream them together until it becomes light and fluffy. Occasionally scrape the sides of the bowl. Add the powdered sugar. And using a spatula, incorporate it with the cream cheese butter mixture. Then beat it with a hand mixer. If your frosting is too runny, just add more powdered sugar until you achieve the thick consistency. Now, pipe the cream cheese frosting on top of the cupcake. I'm using Wilton 1M tip, by the way. Now you can top it as well with the bits coming from one of the cupcakes. And here's our finished product! These cupcakes are soft, moist, and absolutely delicious. Perfect for the coming Valentine's Day. And this is what it looks like inside. Look at that! If you like this recipe, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and hit the bell. And if there are any recipes you would like to see in the next videos, comment down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!